Hello student of class 6. Here is Rashid Khan, the science teacher from the LPM Public School, Gola Bazaar. Now chapter number 8, which is given as body movements, we have to study on that topic. And in which first topic is here given, human body and its movement. So before going to the any other topic, we have to first know about, want to discuss on what is the human body and its movement. So movement is what? Movement is a very important, you can say, the task or activity. So most of the, not only the human being do them, but also the animals can also perform a different type of a movement. You know very well there is a movement happened by the organism in case for the dwelling, for performing the mass movement, and in case of escaping from the dangers, or might be the movement in case in search of a food for dwelling and for reproducing, most of the reasons. And you can see human being can move from one place to another place for their livelihoods or for earning something. When they are moved from one place to another place, exactly, or you can say that mostly they have performed good functions and achieve more and more. So in this case, in this concern, plant cannot move because its position is defined, its position is fixed, and it cannot move from one place to another place. But the most of our animals and human beings can perform movements. So what are the body movements? Movements of the body from one place to another place. That one is called as a locomotion. Movement of the body from one place to another. This one is said to be what? Locomotion. This one is said to be locomotion. In case most of the animal and human being locomote from one place to another place. Now we can say the animals, such type of some different type of animals move in the air. Animals move in the air, on land, and some of other move in water. Some of the animal can move in water, and some other that can also move in case some plants. In case some plants move, like touch me not. On touching it, and bend their leaves, and then after some time it reflexes again. So there is another movement. Most of the animal, food, plants, human being can move in the following reasons, or might be the uses as the following paragraph describes. They are moved in search of a food. In search of food. They move due to the distinct and a different important criteria. First one is they move for the they move in search of a food. Second, they are running away, or you can say they are running away from predators and the other changes. They are running away or move, running away from predators, and dangers. For escaping themselves from the dangers they move. Next one is they can also move, migrate, from one place to other for dwelling or population. Dwelling or populations, for mating and for reproducing. Reproducing as well. These are the different things by which they can be moved. Next is migration for more favorable environment. Migrate or migrations takes place migration for migration for more favorable environment. More favorable environment. Like Arctic tern, Siberian crane move in India for better chances for their survival and for more effective environment. So these are the conditions, these are the reasons why the animals or human being moves from one place to another place. Here we have to know about some of the organisms are called vertebrates. Some are called as invertebrates. What are the vertebrates and invertebrates? Vertebrates are what? Vertebrates are those that have backbone. Most of the animals having the vertebral column or backbone. Here we have to know the animals are the organisms like human being, most of the animals. Invertebrates are those that do not have invertebrates are those that they do not have backbone. That one is called invertebrates, like earthworm, like cockroach, mosquito, etc. These are called who do not having backbone, that are called invertebrates, and that those having backbone in them, they are called as the vertebrates. Here the next topic is called as the joints. What are the joints? What is joint? Joint is actually what? Where it is the place where two or more than two bonds are joined together. The place on which it is the place at which two or more than two bones get attached. Here the two or more than two bones meet is called joints. It is called as a joint. So there are the different type of a joint in our body. We can say some of the joints that are connected with the help of the structure called as cartilage. Most of the joints that are connected to each another, they are jointed by having cartilages, which is act as a shock absorber, which is act as shock absorber. So there will be no shocks or pushes or might be injuries caused due to having cartilage in it. This can play a very important, significant role for the shock absorbent. They act as a shock absorbent.
Okay.
Next
Is it
is,
okay now?
so next one is called as shock absorber between the bones. The bones are held together at a joint by strong. One second. The bones are held together at the joint by strong elastic fibers. called ligaments. This one is called as a ligaments. Why? Because these are a very strong, having elastic, fibrous structure that can make a strong bond. This one is called as a ligaments. Some joints allow the movement and some do not allow. The joint that can allow the movement, they are said to be the movable, and the joint that are not allowed to move, that one is called as the immovable. So what are the movable joints and what are the immovable joints? We know about some of the movements. Two types of the joint over there. First one is movable and second one is immovable joint. Movable joint and immovable joint. Movable. What is movable joints? Movable joints are those that can allow to move at joint, that one called a movable joint. Moving joints are one that allow moving joints are there which can allow which can allow us to ride, us to perform different functions. Perform different functions like riding bicycles, or car, eat food, and play games. These activities are due to having only the movement of the body, or the part of the joint that can be moved in respect to the different activities. So that one is called as the movable joint, like a hinge joint. What is hinge joint? Hinge joint. Hinge joint are those joints that have some of the joint of our body parts that move like a door. That is, they can move only the one directions, and through which the different activities can perform, like movement in arms, movement in legs. This can be only move only one direction. This direction cannot be moved. So these are the hinge joint. Hinge joint are what? Hinge joint are those that can only move one direction. That one is called a hinge joint. Or you can say the elbow and the knees have the hinge joint, which allow bending and movement of arm and legs. This one is called hinge joint. So okay guys, we will continue this one.